How do you format your SD card on your Icom 7300? Well, I'm glad you asked, because that's what I'm going to show you in today's video. Hi, my name's Tony, KEHCDD. In today's video, I'm just going to show you real quick, step by step, how to format the SD card on your Icom 7300. It's really easy. So let's get started. All right, let's do some formatting. I'm going to show you how to format the SD card on your Icom 7300. So it's really simple. All you do is hit Menu, Set, SD card, Format, and then you click Yes. Just as easy as that. Anyway, guys, that's it. 73. Hey, let me know what you thought about the video in the comments below. And if you like my videos, please like and subscribe, so that way you can be notified of future videos. And make sure you hit that little bell icon on the side. Anyway, thanks for watching. Have a great day. 73.